Okay, in this video, I'll be covering SQL Server Express installation. So this is, let's just pretend that this is your desktop. And yeah, let's just open up Internet Explorer. Then type in something like Microsoft SQL Server Express download. Express is free, so you don't have to worry about licensing and things like that. It's just for people to play with at home. It's not for production use, so you can just click on download SQL Server 2014 Express, and you can use your Outlook, email, Live, or old Hotmail or something like that. Sign in and just let you download it. And in my case, I've already downloaded it over here, so I'm just gonna move it over and double click on Express. This one happens to be 64-bit. I think they still offer 32-bit, but since this box is 64, I decided to go with 64. And this is Express with tools. You would want to have Express with tools, because without tools it's kind of hard to do anything. So click on Run and extract. Oh yeah, sure, extract it. Yeah. Okay. So it's extracting. Come on. Okay, it's extracted. So double click on setup. Okay, it's about to start. Alright, so basically just click on the first option. There are certain prerequisites that you have to meet that you can look up. Yeah, you can just type in SQL Server 2014 Express prerequisites and click on hardware software requirements for installing, and it will tell you what you need to have. And it's hard not to meet it because Express doesn't have very much of a requirement. So you can look through that and make sure that you meet the requirement, like minimum amount of memory 512 megabyte. I'm pretty sure everybody has that. So they click on the first one, Standalone Installation. I have a feeling that this video is going to be a little longer. But anyway, I accept the license. After all, it's free. Update. It's okay, just demo, so I don't need any updates. Oh, it's kind of like so many different screens. Huh. Oh well. Database engine, replication I don't need, but I'm just gonna go with pretty much default setup. All this directory, everything default. Next. In a separate video, I'll explain all these things. But since this is just a beginner's video, I'm just gonna take all default. Well, it's gonna be named instance. But next. I'll explain to you all this name difference between default instance, named instances, and things like that in a different video, probably in an intermediate level or something like that. Just hit next. Next. Okay, so installation started. in the real world, you don't want to do this kind of next installation, but just a demo. So at this point, I'm just going to pause the video because it's going to take a while, maybe 15 minutes or so. Okay, it looks like the installation is done. It says succeeded. Great. So let's close that window, close that as well. And let's go to the start menu and look for SQL Server Management Studio. This is one of the GUI tools that Microsoft provides for free. It comes with SQL Server, and it makes your life easier because it's really GUI based instead of having to code things. So server type is database engine, and that's the name of the server. It says SQL Express, and I'm just going to log in with Windows Authentication. So click on Connect. How? Click on Databases. So it basically doesn't have anything. It just has system databases. So you don't want to mess with those. So at this point, let's download demo database. Google and VentureWorks. Okay. Oh, well, I spelled it wrong. Codeplex. Yep, sure. And click on SQL Server 2012 OLTP and VentureWorks data files. So you can just click on that and download it. It's not too big, but it's not too small, so it might take like 5 minutes to download, depending on your bandwidth. If you have Google Fiber or something, I guess it might go in a couple seconds. I don't know. I don't have that kind of stuff. Anyway, so that's how I download it. Then I actually have it already. I think it's in my download folder. Yep, data files there. So I just need to transfer it over to my SQL Server installation directory. When you do next installation, which you're never supposed to do in the real world, but it's for demo, it's fine. You can just go to this directory. Oh, you can probably see it. See program files, Microsoft SQL Server, MS SQL 12, SQL Express, MS SQL data. This is where the data files are located, so you can just move it over. So it's there. Then right click on databases, attach, and add. Click on add right here, then select that. Then that's definitely not found because databases come with data file and log file, but it didn't come with log file, so I'm just gonna highlight this log, remove, then click on OK. It should work, but we'll see. Yep, it created its own log file, so click on that and click on tables. You'll see a whole bunch of pre-made sample tables, which is real nice. So in the next video, we'll start playing with it. Thank you for watching.